Hi everybody, good morning. I'm continue doing some rooms from the new path cybersecurity one. I hope I'm trying maybe to do all of them. I will see, depend my time. Today I'm doing log fundamental, learn what logs are and how to analyze them effective. I'm not sure this room it's subscriber, okay. You can someone to read. Okay, of course, the logs, as everybody know, whatever it is, if an attack happen or something, you should always have some kind. Here's an example of a CCTV or something, but the idea is to have trace. So whatever you have, uh, like have Windows, like now we have a Windows machine here. Later on we do a Linux one. So different logs for different events, like for example, event security, event monitoring. Logs detect announce behavior. We have incident and forensic. Logs are traced to every kind of activity. When user login, we see this later on in. We need it for troubleshooting, of course, something go wrong. Performance monitoring, it tell you, for example, query or something, database, audit and compliance. This is about law, so we need these things. Why this machine today? It's then the next. What can yeah, this is like that's oh no, that's the room. So logs, that's the whole thing for this room. And then again, this is like introduction room. What's it? Log types. So because we have different log of different type. There is a system log, like in Linux, you have a syslog, the journal, and all of that. Security log, like even in Windows, you have a Windows. We can check it. It's what do you call it? Event log. Event viewer. I forgot. Application log, audit logs, network log, access log for security, and all of that. What's now there have been various other type of logs. Of course, different scenario. You can see Windows logs here. Usually you have these ones, and then you have the other ones. If you go more, if you want to go later on for more advanced system, we'll check them now. Which type of logs? Um, Contain information regarding incoming and traffic, so it means you're talking about network logs here, so this is straightforward. This one, usually when you start investigating more Windows stuff, you want to come here. Let's see if there is a sysmon installed. Nope. SYSST system, there is no sysmon here, so it's normal. Okay, so yeah, you can see, but I was more interested for this room in this security log. What type of logs that contain authentication? Whenever there's authentication, is of course this one, the security logs. Now, for example, here we have the Windows. If you work with Windows application, defier rooms, this is sometimes you come here. You have the application, the security setup, system security, wherever you trace user. Okay, let's take this one off. You have this, for example, if I want to, this is you search by keyword, wherever you want to search. The most interesting part always is the filter current log, because here you can have an event ID, so easy to search and trace. Because in Windows you have this this IDs. That's how, for example, we'll follow it now with the question. This should have a note for them. Of course, you can use this. If sysmon was installed in the room, you can use sysmon. So it's better to practice than look into the screens. Let's say, for example, what's the name of the last user account created in the system? So if we come here, user account failed to login, user account login. Where is was created? So we're looking for 4720. I think is what's this? We did 4624. What is 4624? Login. Now we're looking for user create 4720. So we come here 4720, and then we filter it. We have easy login. I said the latest. So basically 25627, that's the latest. Let's do this. This was sometimes I hate Windows logs for the look of them. He said this is the admin of the account. Now you have account name, new account called hacked. So you already give you the idea of and then tell you which user account create above account. Usually a subject who create administrator. If we follow, let's follow trace 456 5607 55. That's where it start. Account is administrator, and that's password last set. So he's created by the administrator. So we know that. So let's see what the hint say. What TryHackMe is saying. See the subject detail. Subject detail. Okay, subject. We're talking about this. The administrator. That's usually administrator. And then the next question it tells us on what date was the user account enabled. When can we check it? Because for enable user, Windows has another story. A user account was created, a user account was enabled in 4722. So I can come back here, filter my current log. I can just say, because Windows has too much this little when it what's the question again? In 6724, so we have account was enabled, so the user is hacked, so we can safely say it's depend of the start 6, they put 7 2024, and then did the account undergo password reset as well? Let's see if the password reset, you come here again, where is that table? Reset password was account attempt user account 6 failed. Where is the password reset? An attempt means to reset an account 4724 failed account 4724. Let's see, we have an attempt was made to reset an account password. Account is hacked, so we can say safely yes it was. So it's yes, so we know about it. The next question is a Linux line question. They didn't give us access to Linux, but they give us a log file. This is the log file. Access log, you can see how is it. Most Linux you can see the structure. It give you the IP, the date, the request, the URL, HTTP1, the states codes, the browser that make it, and then that's it. So we know the line how it works. Same as he said, IP address, timestamp, request, states code, user agent. Usually, of course, let's see. I have it here, so I have it here. So this is the card access log, so you can see how it look. You can use head if you want to see the top of it, or just say one line, so minus n1. Oh no, sorry. Head access. If I just want to send the first line, that's the line. You can combine two files with a cat like one and put them in one line. That's tricky if you have too many logs. You grab that. We'll practice now this. They give us this to practice. Less is to see only part of it. This Linux command, so less access, and then you can click slow Q to run. Let's clear it. Let's follow. Use mouse and to navigate. Okay, that's the navigation. So we don't know. This is question. What is the IP address? IP which made the last? So the last. So let's see. So you know the timing. You see now a log. The top is the new one because you can see it's 1358, 1357. So we're looking for the top. The top are the new one. So let's make sure. Now what is the IP the last get request to? I don't need you, so just leave there. Let's put it next. So I can get use grep command. I'm looking for uh, remember get request to the contact. If you look the structure of if it's get, it gave you where it's going. So we have get product, get things. So you can say grep, and I say get, I said contact. If I from access, if I do this, it will give me all of them. Now I need to look for which one is it? Head. It means, because remember I said the lastest, the new one is in the top, so I goes head, and I said here give me only the first one, the top one. So this is the top one. So this question, what about the what IP? The IP is this one. So this IP makes that, so we do the head so that to get the latest, so I don't need to, which is basically this one. The next question is, when was the last post request made by an IP? The last. The same thing is the last, so I mean the top of the file. So what can we do here? We can grab the IP they give us, the 172 the 16.01 0.1 from the access node, but here it will give us only the because remember we can't do it in together because the IP in one thing, and then we can pipe it. So this result, pipe it again to grep, but this mine to catch the post request. So now I tell him all this data we got now for the IP, search on it again for post request, but now I'm looking for the last one. So I can say okay, give it to head, and head give me only the first one. So now what's the question? When was the last? So basically if you follow the same format, this one should be the time, and then based on the answer of this question, what URL was to, so I can say it was sent to contact. I think we need to put a / on it there, depends on the question. Yeah guys, that's this room is a quick introduction. TryHackMe is trying to joke with me. I already finished this room. They keep saying DEFCON 33. See, after I finish all the room, when I try to redo the videos, always give me DEFCON 33 ticket, but it's not real, it's fake one. Any case, so that's how you play with gap. You can be more smart if you want to extract only certain part, because remember they have spaces here. You can add another, I think, cat or oak, any case, but for simpler room, let's stuck with this one. Thank you very much guys, and have a good day.